What's up, guys? Out here in Troy with a guy that you're probably gonna meet. You got a 50% chance you're gonna meet him and his brother, and they handle our restoration division. Now, I have been working with Antonio Lopez now for 19 years. I've known this man. He knew me, and we've both watched each other grow up. It's so cool to work with someone like him because not only is he super intelligent and he knows what he's doing, but he's a phenomenal teacher. So just like Luis and Alejandro, they train the next up-and-comers. He's training right now his brother. He's also training Ricardo. And then you'll get to meet the other Antonio as well, another brother and son team. Again, if you're doing any type of restoration, from cleaning to poly sanding to jointing, even to the small repairs. So welcome, Antonio.
Hi, everyone. So basically, yes, like he said, we've been together for 19 years, and we grow up kind of like together, because that was a challenge when I started working with him. He's been my only employer in here since I've been in the United States. So it's been 19 years. I started from the scratch, nothing. When I came here the first time, he said, "You know how to drive?" Yes, I know how to drive. He said, "Can you go with my guide?" And by then, we were like only a few people working. And that was a challenge for me because, you know, you knew in the United States, you don't know exactly where you go, what you want to do, nothing. And then he said, "You're going to be doing sand and seal." And I said, "Okay, I take the challenge." And I went with a guy, and he teach me. In a couple months, he said, "Antonio, you got to go on your own." And I said, "Can you handle it?" And I said, "Yes." So it's been 19 years since we started up, how do I say, the travesty, like journey. Journey.
Yeah.
And here we are. Now we are expert doing restoration and pavers. We do small repairs as well. So we've been doing good stuff, like I said, big jobs, small jobs, middle jobs. We do acid washes. We do everything.
And you treat them all the same.
The same.
Doesn't matter how big it is. Doesn't matter how small it is. He's going to take that care. And again, that's why you want a guy like him. That's why you want a guy like Makai out on your project. Yes. 19 years of doing this. We have more experience right here than most companies have all together. So the things he's learned, and he's still learning, just like I am.
Still learning. Yes.
It's an honor. I've got to work with him, and he's got to watch me kind of grow up as I've watched him grow up. Beautiful family, beautiful wife and children, fantastic father, and just a great leader all the way around. I could just tell you that I have been working with him. He's our longest standing person. I'm not going to say he's an employee because he's not. We work together, so he's a co-worker. And what he's done for our restoration division has made us the true paver maintenance specialists. Yeah. And some of the things that I want you guys to know what he has to go through in a day, like how many jobs on a typical day will you see in one day, navigating all the way from Grow Seal into almost the Toledo market, Ann Arbor, Fenton. I mean, what do you see every single day?
We start early, 7 in the morning. We have to start at the office, and then we have a job like from Grosse Pointe, and then we got to go to Toledo, and then we got to go sometimes to Brighton, sometimes to close to Henley City. So we are all over the places, and then sometimes you don't know what are you expecting when you show up to the job, and there's like sometimes our jobs like when the sales guy comes and give you the jobs, you see something, but when you are into the jobs, there's a surprise. It's always a surprise with those pavers.
Yeah.
You know, because I was just talking with a customer like a couple of weeks ago, and they said, and they told me, you know, I gave the job to my landscapers guys because they told me they can do the restoration in my pavers. And what a surprise I got that I wasn't happy with the way they did. And I told her, they good what they do, landscaper.
Yeah.
We are good what we do. We do restoration, maintenance, acid wash, hardscape, and she was really happy with the job we did. So this is the one thing. This company has been known for hardscape and paver restoration.
Yeah.
And this is how we do. We do a good job. We're trying to get the customer get the satisfaction of to see the new pavers. Old pavers, they don't like it, and when they see the restoration, they're like, oh my God, I cannot believe it. They're like brand new.
We're running that one ad on Facebook where you couldn't even see that it was actual pavers. And then after you wash it, it has that white border that you wouldn't even be able to see because it was so filled with moss and mildew.
Mm-hmm.
Now, another really unique thing with our company as well is our specialization in hardscape, it goes even further. So you're not going to build a patio, right?
No.
The guys that are building the patios are building, the guys that are doing the large scale repairs are repairing. He's not coming off doing repair work and then filling in with maintenance. This is what he does for his career and makes sure that these jobs come out perfect and that the clients are happy. So that's the other thing I really want to hone in here is this man for 19 years does restoration to stone.
Mm-hmm.
Day in and day out, 5-6 people a day, sometimes 2 or 3.
Yeah, depends
awesome.
the job. Yeah,
depends the job.
Exactly. Sometimes, like I said in the beginning, sometimes we have a small job like this one with repairs. Sometimes we have a huge jobs that are like taking like 2 days just to clean it.
Yeah.
Just to clean it, or 1 day to clean it.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like 3 days process and big jobs.
Yeah.
And most of the time we go like 3, 4, 5 jobs a day. I mean, cleaning first day, second day finishing. So I'm happy to be here, and I hope we can stay longer here doing the things that really I like.
Yeah.
I like to do my job, and I think
and you do a great job at it.
this is the thing.
Another thing, once this is this getting sealed?
Yes.
So when this gets sealed, do you spray the sealer? Or how do you do that?
No, we roll it. We
You
roll
it.
the sealer.
Old school.
Yeah, old school, and I think it's the best way to go with rollers, because I think they have better they attach better to the pavers,
yeah.
and they have better seams into the pavers, so
more penetration into the joint.
Into the joints and everything. I mean, we spend a little bit more sealer doing this, but
probably
I think
a lot
more. But this is the way you had to go.
Yeah.
And like I said, those guys, the hardscape guys in our company, they do an awesome job as well, because like I said, it's a process. They do a big repairs, and then the customer is now happy. And then when everything is finished, it's all about work together. So, they do their job, we do their job. So that's why it makes us a really good company to work with it. So there's nothing I can say. This is the truth.
Thank you guys for coming out and just watching this video. We're gonna spend a whole day with this guy. So a whole day coming soon. We're gonna see a day in the life of Lopez. And when I tell you, it is a true honor to work with such a gentleman, just an amazing man, and it's an honor, honestly. I mean that.
We've been through up and downs.
Ups and downs.
We're here.
We're always here.
We're still here. The thing is, we're still
looking good too. Still looking good too.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.